Hey everybody, gonna do a unboxing, unbagging. Got the Haley Strategic ordering. The order contents. Single mag pouch, multicam, the sticker and pocket flag that came in the last order, mandible angled molly strap. What does that go to? Oh, mandible vertical molly strap. Another vertical molly strap. D3 Pro Inner Built. Coyote Brown. Interesting. I like this enough that I got more of them. The single rifle mag pouch, multicam with the M2 insert. The pistol mags have these have the M2 insert in them also, so I'm excited to try those out. Hang anything hook, black. Another. This is a double pistol mag pouch, multicam with the M2 inserts. Another single mag pouch multicam, and save the best for last, D3 outer belt with D-ring snake bite. I'm excited for these. Set up my war belt. More to come. Hope that helps.